Hello everyone, Kayla here, and today I'm going to be talking to you all about some new products from Coconut Restore. I have their cream conditioner cleanser and I also have the moisture and shine mist. These products were indeed sent to me from a PR company in collaboration with Coconut Restore, but I am not being sponsored in any way, so your girls' pockets are still empty, okay? So I am not being influenced monetarily for my opinion in this video at all. So if you are not familiar with Coconut Restore, you do not know that I have already done a video on Coconut Restore, definitely check that out. I'm gonna link that either in a card or below or something of that nature so that you can see my other video that I did for them. I tried a lot more products in that video, and there may be something that you're a little bit more interested in depending on if you're interested in these two products that I have here today. So the first one that I want to talk about is actually the first product that I ever used once I got these products. So this is the Moisture and Shine Mist. It is intended to be used exactly like what it sounds like. This is actually a very flowy, airy mist as well, so I like that as well because when I saw this bottle I was like, I don't know what's about to come out of here. So even though these products appear to be all, ooh, nature's protein and so on and so forth, I'm not gonna lie to you, these products are not natural. They don't necessarily say that they're natural, but it's kind of implied. So I'm gonna tell you that the first 5 ingredients are neopentyl glycol, diheptaminoate, dimethicone, isododecaine, arginine spinosa kernel oil, and fragrance. Those are the first 5 ingredients. So this is definitely like a silicone based spray. So if you have straight hair or if you are someone who has relaxed hair or whatever, this is not going to revert your hair because it's definitely like an oil, an artificial oil spray. And also, let me show you the spray I was talking about. I realized I was talking about it. The lighting changes the second I lift my hands up, but we'll try. Oh, I have it locked. My bad. There you go. It has been sprayed on my hair actually rather recently, as in today. And I'm gonna say, it's supposed to provide moisture and shine. I can't really say that it provides moisture. I think it's gonna take a little bit more than this. If your hair is really super dehydrated, then you need to just go ahead and wash it and recondition it and do all that. And then as far as shine, I may not notice, I don't really necessarily notice shine on it because I use hair gel on my hair most of the time, and so my hair is already either has a sheen or a shine to it due to the product that's already on it. Also, because this is like a silicone and that kind of base, I tend to apply it over my hair when I have a good gel cast going so that it does not really get directly on my hair to where I'm needing to super like clarify it off and things. But okay, so someone may be wondering, well, if it's not really providing shine and moisture, then why are you using it? Like what's really going on with it, right? So the main reason that I like to use this product is because I like the smell. I like the smell. I treat it almost like a hair perfume. There are several companies out there that are selling hair perfumes. I'm sure you know at least one company that has a hair perfume available. I like this for hair perfume. I actually, after I started using it and realized that the scent stays in your hair like 2 days or so, I don't know what I was doing, but my hair was not smelling good, okay? It needed to be washed. It was the end of the rope. So I sprayed this on my hair and it had a new lease on life. So that's my main purpose for this product, is as a hair perfume. Yeah, I mean, it smells divine. It's a nice powdery, warm, pleasant scent. Now, the second product, which is, again, the cream conditioner cleanser. Now, this product is intended to be almost like a co-wash, okay? Because the directions say for super gentle cleansing that doesn't strip, wet hair, generously apply cream cleanser to wet hair, gently finger comb or massage through hair and scalp for up to 5 minutes, and rinse, towel dry, and apply your favorite Coconut Restore styling product. So they are kind of intending for this to replace your shampoo or to go in between shampoos as a way to co-wash your hair. Now, the first 5 ingredients: water, glycerol stearate, quaternium 80, cetyl alcohol, ceramidopropyl dimethylamine. Now, you may notice that I did not say a single surfactant in the entire time that I was reading these ingredients. So therefore, this is not going to clean your hair. If your hair is really dirty, you need to get out some shampoo and clean your hair. This is what you use when you want to reset your hair. You want to start your hair over again or refresh a hairstyle. That's what you use this for, not to actually clean your hair. So let me put this down because the lighting is killing me. Oh yeah, see, I look much better now. So anyway, the main thing that I use this for, the first time I used it, which is what footage that I have of me using this, is I had a braid out. And so the braid out was becoming very stretched out and was almost at the point where I would need to wear a ponytail. But I wanted to get more days out of the braid out. So I went in, fully soaked my hair down, applied this throughout my entire head, put my hair into sections, and then I went in to detangle my hair with a finger detangle. Since I was only finger detangling, I went in with smaller sections than I would use normally. And I can say that this right here was some slippery good stuff. I was able to fully detangle my hair. I felt very confident in the detangledness of my hair when I was done using this product. I rinsed it right on out. It didn't feel gunky. It didn't leave a coating on my hair when I rinsed it out. And then I was able to restyle the braid out and get like 2 more days or so out of the braid out. Then another time that I used this is that I put it in my travel bag, my carry-on bag, when I went to Hawaii. I talk about Hawaii in my last video, so if you're like, what, she went to Hawaii? That's because you ain't watched my last video. That's why you don't know. So I put this in my bag. Well, I put it in containers or whatever. I can't bring the whole thing in a carry-on. And like my cousin and I went to the beach and my hair got wet. And so I put my hair in a bun and slapped some conditioner on it from the hotel room. They had Hawaiian Tropic in there, which actually has pretty decent ingredients. So then the next day we went to the beach again. And then when we came back, that's when I was like, okay, let me redo my hair, because we were going to a dinner show. I want to look nice. I was wearing a cute dress, so on and so forth. So I pulled my hair out of the bun, coated it in the cream conditioner cleanser. I always say it wrong, so my bad. And I did the same thing, finger detangled my hair, went through, rinsed my hair, and then I went through and styled my hair with Just Gel. Unfortunately, I am away from home, so I was not able to dry my hair. So it dried very soft, and then I came home back to the humidity. So this is actually the same wash and go from Hawaii. So, and it's been, as of today, it's been a full 7 days since I did this wash and go in Hawaii. Actually, I don't know what that is. Didn't notice that until I turned the camera on and there's lighting. But anyway, the rest of my hair looks fine. So this is the same wash and go from Hawaii. I don't feel like my hair was coated or gunky when I use this product. However, because there are no surfactants, I definitely know that my hair needs to be washed. I definitely can tell that my hair is not clean. So I'll say it again, I said it before, the purpose of this product is more so for me a resetting tool. This is something you use when you want to get some more days out of the hairstyle that you've been wearing, or you are not able to go through your full regimen and you want to get some water on that hair so you can use the wet state of the hair to reshape it into whatever hairstyle that you want. That's what this is for, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about these products or even an experience with these products, despite them being their newer products, definitely leave that below in the comments. Give it a thumbs up on your way out, and don't forget to share it with your natural friends. I will talk to you guys in the next one.